I got for Christmas part 2. Charge doesn't reach. So we just gotta hope it doesn't die while I'm making this vid. Okay, here we go. Have you guys seen this? Don't know. Football stress ball. All of these tangles. These pop tubes. This wacky track. These 2 more mini fidget spinners. All these acupressure rings. These weird little ball things. One of the ball things and one of the mini spinners. This mini little mesh ball. This peanut popper. These 2 pea poppers. These 2 bike chains. These 2 mochis. This huge squishy. This Rubik's Cube. And this little puzzle thingy-mo-bob. That's all the fidgets I got for Christmas. Thank you for watching part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch that now. Bye.